Now, I'm probably going to kick myself for bringing this one up to a lot of newer traders, and there's a lot of newer traders here. I love you guys. Please be very careful with this, but I am going to be buying some, but I'm going to be risking appropriate levels of risk. I think that this could get a good squeeze. Genius Group Limited. It's just had crazy volume come in. But what I'm going to do, a lot of people are trapped. Tons and tons and tons of volume are coming in. And I'm going to buy some at 3. Worst case scenario, and that's what I love about stocks, worst case scenarios is it can go to 0 and I will lose 1 risk unit. But if it goes to 8, it's good. Make 2 R's and some change. I can live with that. And that's pretty much it. That's pretty much what I did. So I think you all should probably consider doing something very similar because it can only go to 0. And right now it's at, 4. And it has been like days ago at 11. And then previous to that, 35. So who the heck knows? Yeah. Most likely going to trade sideways for 3 or 4 days. And then maybe it squeezes, maybe has some type of news cycle, but I could see this hitting Wall Street Bets or whoever, whatever, and could go up a little bit higher. All right, team. So some quick screenshots from here. We did get a consolidation. We did get that pullback into that $4 and $3.50 level. And we had a tweezer bottom here at 310. And we are getting that short squeeze as we speak right now. And I do expect this to continue higher, probably up into 859, maybe 10, maybe even higher. Because the challenge right now is you have so many shares that are short. I mean, hundreds of millions of shares that are short, but there's only 10 million shares available to be traded anyway. So that's a really interesting conundrum to be had for my shorts on Genius Group Limited. So just something to keep in mind and something to think about. But here's some quick screenshots from some traders who did make some quick bank from that analysis that we did during the free week of RLT. Thanks so much for tuning in, guys. You're the bomb. Love you all.